Piyush Goyal on Saturday said the country had come to a situation of assured supply of energy and even surplus from a situation of perpetual shortage due to decisive leadership and timely decisions. 14 women were among the 110 flight cadets who were commissioned into IAF on Saturday as flying officers at a combined graduation parade at Air Force Academy in Hyderabad. Ministry of Defence confirmed Lieutenant General Bipin Rawat will be the new Chief of Army Staff while Air Marshal B.S. Dhanua will be the new Chief of Air Staff. Normal life in Odisha's Kandhamal district was severely hit with mercury level falling to 6.4 degrees Celsius, the lowest in the season. The cold wave conditions swept and paralyzed daily life in Phulbani, Baliguda, Kotagar and blocks. The special cell of Delhi Police has busted an interstate arms syndicate with the arrest of its 2 key members and recovered 43 sophisticated pistols with 38 magazines from their possessions. An employee of a guest house owned by the wife of Meghalaya Home Minister HDR Lingdo was arrested along with another woman in charge of trafficking and forcing a minor into prostitution. The minor was rescued after she managed to escape from guest house. National Conference Working President Omar Abdullah on Saturday said that the central should start a comprehensive dialogue with various stakeholders in Jammu and Kashmir as well as with the Pakistan in order to achieve sustainable peace. A Delhi police constable was on Saturday arrested for allegedly abducting and extorting rupees 1 lakh from a dairy owner. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar on Saturday claimed that several politicians have become beggars after the demonetization move by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Enforcement Directorate raided at least 4 billion firms in Zaveri Bazaar and nearby areas in Mumbai and froze 2 bank accounts in different branches of banks in connection with laundering of the scrap currency.